Hey guys, Oscar from KG Motors here. I just wanted to walk you through this 2011 Dodge Grand Caravan. It's got 130,000 miles, 6,500. This is a perfect deal car, great deal. 2011, red burgundy-ish, perfect condition. As you can see, it's got alloy wheels. It's got the stow and go side doors where they open by themselves. And as you can see inside, it's perfect, very clean. 7-passenger van. It's got the TV. As you can see, it works well. These have the bucket seats, as they're called, so they fold in. So what you got to do is open this here, lift this handle right here, and they go right in. Just let it open this a little bit more. And perfect. You can do the same on the other side. And here in the back, let me show you. It's got a backup camera. I'll show you that real quick. But these also fold in, so all you got to do is follow these. It says 1, 2, 3, and then pull this lever, and they go right in. That one does as well. So if you come over here, as you can see, this is a perfect car, very well taken care of. And this is the inside of it, the front of it. But yeah guys, kgmotors.com, or call me at 919-584-5728. We'll gladly assist you in trying to get this car. $1,500 down, $2,000 down, and you're approved. Thank you.